Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to delete a community description on WhatsApp step by step. If you've updated your community details or simply want to remove the description completely, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and that WhatsApp is updated to the latest version so everything looks just like what you see in this guide. Once you're in, go to the bottom of your screen and tap on the Communities tab. This is where you'll see all the communities you've created or joined. From there, choose the community where you want to delete the description. Tap to open it. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three dots. Tap on those dots to open the menu. From that menu, select Community Info. This will take you to all the main details of your selected community, including its name, icon, and of course, the description. Now, tap on Edit Community Info. Once inside, tap directly on the current description that you want to remove. The text box will open, allowing you to make changes. Here's the simple part, just delete all the text in that description box. Once it's blank and you're happy with it, tap the checkmark icon in the top right corner to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully deleted your community description on WhatsApp. The community will now show no description at all, clean and simple. If this video helped you, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy WhatsApp tips. Thanks for watching.